In this video, Bitcoin has now made a death cross in the daily time frame. And right now, what is the implication of this? And what are the next things that we are going to monitor? As well as we wanted to discuss what happened with Bybit and where are we going to trade now with our trades. Well, stay tuned to know more. Do you want to learn the strategy that I use for my day-to-day trading? Then make sure to check out our Gaps Crypto 101 playlist. You can start learning how to trade in the cryptocurrency market all for free, and the link is available in the description down below. And if you want to start opening an account with any crypto trading platform, make sure to trade this guys with PHEMEX and Bybit, as they have one of the lowest fees possible in the cryptocurrency market. And if you use our affiliate links, you can get up to 20,000 US dollars of bonuses when you are going to deposit with those trading platforms, and the links are available in the description down below. So now let's dive into this video. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, we are still making this video live from Lisbon. And yeah, right now there is a very big thing that has happened now with the Bitcoin price action, and that is this Bitcoin daily time frame death cross. And just to give everyone a quick recap, a death cross is actually wherever the 50 moving average is going to close below, or it's going to cross below the 200 MA. And the reason why this is important is because in the previous historical market cycle of Bitcoin, every time Bitcoin makes a death cross, it actually leads into a long-term bear market. In fact, I'll open the index chart so that it's much more precise and accurate data. But showing it to you now, you would find that in the previous death crosses, you would find that we have formed a bear market for the long term. Same goes here in the 2021 to 2023 market cycle. It has actually done twice in the previous market cycle. But as compared to what we have in the current market cycle, you would find that the current market cycle had multiple instances of those death crosses but did not play a bear market. And the main difference between those movements as compared to the previous as compared to the previous market cycle is this happened all in one market cycle, wherein we had multiple death crosses in the market cycle. And you would find as well here that Bitcoin has been holding up the above the bull market support band, which is the 50-week moving average, which is this yellow line, and it has remained intact for the bull market for the long term because of this 50-week moving average. Now, does that mean that the current death cross is going to still continue a Bitcoin movement to the upside? Well, here's the thing. If you're going to look at the current death cross right now with the Bitcoin price action, you would find that the current death cross does not have a candle close above the 50-week moving average. In fact, we still have up until tomorrow for Bitcoin to see a candle close above the 50-week moving average. And yeah, if we are going to see the death cross right now at the same time, we are going to see the 50-week candle close tomorrow, you would find it's already very much different to the previous death cross, because the previous death cross, they had closes above the 50-week MA. So in that case, I think what would happen now is this would confirm a long-term bear market if we close tomorrow 8 a.m. in Manila time, 4 a.m. in Dubai time, and 12 midnight in my current time here in Lisbon. So yeah, it's more likely now leading to a long-term bear market. So in that case, it's we are now going to shift with much more bearish bias analysis if we are going to see a candle close tomorrow. And yeah, I think it's more likely going to be a candle close already tomorrow for a bear market. But let's just wait out and see. And maybe, who knows, just like last week, we somehow saw Bitcoin made a recovery and held the 50-week moving average. But right now, it's now about to form a candle close below the 50-week moving average. Now, I wanted to discuss this other thing, which is what is happening right now in the Philippines. And it is the international crypto exchange, which is Bybit. It has now stopped accepting new user registrations in the Philippines. And this is coming after the SEC regulations on crypto trading platforms. And yeah, right now I know this is not a very good time for Bybit, but if you are already an existing user, if you have an existing account with Bybit already, then I don't think this will have any significant effect on your end. It's just that you need to have a VPN in order to access Bybit on, let's say, browsers. But if accessing on your mobile phone, I still believe you can still access it. And the hardest thing here with Bybit right now is because if you are going to create a new account with Bybit, you have to do a KYC, which is a verification of your identity. So you have to do the KYC, but the problem is if you're going to do the KYC, it would discover that you are going to be based from the Philippines, and that in that case, it's going to determine that your eligibility in using a Bybit is automatically rejected, right? So right now, I think if we want to continue trading with different platforms, there are other different platforms right now that are available that still accept new registrations from the Philippines, such as PHEMEX as well as MEXI. But I think I am going to lead towards PHEMEX currently. And also, I also have another exchange that I am currently checking out, which is WEEX. And I think this is still too early. They have spoken to me here in Lisbon, and yeah, right now I'm not yet 100% sure if we are going to do trades here in Wix, but yeah, it's a good thing if you also want to check this platform as well. I will send my affiliate link in the description down below for it, so that you can also sign up, and if you want to claim up to bonus here and you try testing out Wix, then of course you can check out this platform. And of course, I think it's also a good thing because you can also let me know what's your experience with Wix, if this is a good exchange, and if you guys like using this exchange, then we are going to do our trades here. But of course, if you don't like the UI, if you don't like the user experience, then there's no point in moving into this exchange. But yeah, I will also do my research as well on my end, and I will look all throughout if Wix is going to be a very reliable platform. But anyway, that's all the update for the time being. I have to go now because I have an upcoming event still with CCCC. So yeah, if you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like and make sure to share this video, guys, especially that right now it's a tough time and currently in the Philippines when it comes to crypto. So sharing this video and giving this video a like could actually give a help. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye for now.